am visiting my friends at cool locations as I ride my motorcycle south on Vancouver Island.
And my friend Sharon is up here with me.
Awesome to see my friends again, and a bonus for me, going some new places. My bike is parked for the night. A perfect time to go to the pub with a friend. This is a gorgeous location. Really appreciate unwinding with this amazing view, listening to the birds, and having a nightcap. The plan was to camp at a campground this evening, but they were full. We were shown an alternative to camp in the woods, which suits us perfectly. My things are in the woods. I came here with my friend so we can visit. These hops smell delicious. This is part 54 of my solo ride cross-country on my Tiger. I left Texas a few months ago and am now on Vancouver Island in Canada. I've been exploring Vancouver Island for a few weeks and will be here a while longer. Having a great time getting to know the island better. Perfect way to enjoy the sunset and walk around this beautiful garden. We even have a nice view from our seats. Just as pretty in the evening. Time to go back to the woods where we're camping. The next morning, continuing my ride south on Vancouver Island. A short detour in the Cowichan Valley to meet some ladies for a wine tasting. A quick look at the vineyard before sitting down to enjoy. Nice to be at a beautiful place. Perfect weather. Yummy food, good drinks, and enjoy each other's company. No, this wasn't all mine, just being silly. If I'm riding in the same area twice, I try and ride on different roads. The scenic route is the first choice. All the roads I've ridden on the island are pretty scenic. This intersection is where I crossed the island highway a while ago on my way up island. I rode from the Shawnigan Lake area to Cowichan Bay.
I don't know exactly where the Malahat starts. I think that was the turn off to Shawnigan, or one of these is. And I kind of think of the Malahat as ending or starting there, depending on where you're going. And I'm going south. Up right, Mill Bay. Ooh, big tall ship in there. Oh. Hey people, this is a fun road. Thank you. Oh, beautiful. You see Mount Baker in the background. A clear day. Woohoo!
There are a few lookouts on the Malahat which are worth stopping at, with beautiful views of the Saanich Peninsula and the Gulf Islands. On clear days, you may even see mountains in inland Washington state, like Mount Baker, which I have passed. I think this is Split Rock Lookout, which you cannot get to going south. I think that is true for most of the lookouts on the Malahat. There are turnarounds to go the other way, but it will take much longer.
No, we hit traffic. I was having fun. Alright, we're going again. Good.
People have told me traffic on the Malahat can be pretty bad. I've ridden it a few times since I've been here, and so far have had no problems. It is a beautiful and fun ride.
That is the Skywalk, which apparently you can't get to from the north. Yeah.
Beautiful driftwood creations hidden in the forest along the boardwalk on the Malahat Skywalk. The Skywalk is the main attraction, but there is a beautiful walk in the forest on the way there. Our first view of the Skywalk as we see it through the trees. Slowly making our way up the ramp to the top of the Skywalk.
On the Malahat Skywalk, this is a cool thing that goes all the way down. You see all the way down. You walk across it, which I kind of did. So the view behind us, behind me here, Salt Spring Island in North Saanich, and then go into Victoria. So we're on the Malahat, which is the mountain north of Victoria, British Columbia in Canada. And coming down here, across there is Mackenzie Bight, which is a beautiful walk through the woods down to the ocean, which we've done before. And and my friend Sherry's up here with me. And the beautiful view, it's amazing up here. We're seeing birds flying and hoping it's eagles, but can't tell yet, they're too far away. Some crows, and just, of course, ocean is gorgeous.
I am visiting another friend as I am slowly making my way down the island. The Skywalk does have amazing views. I'm lucky to have friends that enjoy doing fun things. Sharon was braver than me with his trampoline walk. The sign does say no jumping. Looking through from below.
Okay. Hawks playing in the wind. They were closer until I got my camera out. Going down the slide. You can't see her pop out the bottom. It's under the shelter. There comes the next person. Videotape is way down. Very cute.
Busy. Cheers.
We took the ground path back to the parking lot. We could see the walkway through the trees we took on the way there. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Click the notifications bell and you'll be notified as I continue exploring the island. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.